how to get your Wi-Fi password. It means if you have connected to any Wi-Fi network in previously, those password you can get it, you can see it, okay, including the current connected password, okay. uh, from this way you can get the Wi-Fi password which you have connected in the previously, everything whatever you have connected your laptop or PC, okay. First thing I will show you how to get current password. If you have Windows 11, you can go to the Wi-Fi network, okay, click here and click this properties. In the Windows 11 you can go down, you can see view Wi-Fi security key, you can view it, you can see this is a password, okay. And if you click edit, okay, down, and you go to second tab security and show characters, this way also you can get it, okay. If you have Windows 10, you go to control panel, okay, then go to network and sharing center, and you can see the connected Wi-Fi. This is the current password, okay, current connected Wi-Fi password, and click on the Wi-Fi and your profile name, and you will get like a Wi-Fi status. And here you can see wireless properties, click it and go to security and click show characters. In this way also you can get it, okay. This way only to get the current connected Wi-Fi password. What about the previous one, previously you connected, okay. For that one, open your cmd command. This will work for Windows 10, Windows 11, both, and click run as an administrator. When you open cmd command, copy this link command, I will put in my description area. Copy this command and paste here and press enter. Once you did, you will get all the Wi-Fi, you will get like this connected in the previously, okay. You can see here name, Wi-Fi name, this one, and if you go down you will get key content. This is a Wi-Fi password. If you go this one here, this is something hotspot, you get the Wi-Fi password 1 2 3 4 5 7 8, okay. This is my Wi-Fi, you can get the Wi-Fi password. This is my 2.G and you get the Wi-Fi password. And this is my phone hotspot and you get the Wi-Fi password. And everything you get all the password which you have connected previously, including current connected Wi-Fi password, okay. So just copy and paste this command in your CMD, run as administrator, then hit enter. That's it guys, thank you.